Now that Samsung has released all of its high-end phones for the year, it is time to move on to the next important upgrade. The Galaxy S24 series is slated to become official in February 2024, and some of its features have already leaked. In the newest rumors concerning the most sophisticated of them, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, learn about probable screen and camera enhancements. A 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 optical zoom settings will be included in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to tipster Ice Universe. Because of its larger size and greater resolution, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is predicted to give exceptional picture quality even at the non-native zoom level of 5x. It will allegedly employ a larger camera sensor than the 10-megapixel resolution used in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This new sensor may also enable the Galaxy S24 Ultra to record 8K 30fps footage with its telephoto camera, which is currently not feasible with Samsung's phones. The tipster suggests that Samsung would prominently market the increased zoom quality of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera. The upgraded camera sensor may also increase picture quality at 3x zoom in low-light circumstances when compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra and earlier Samsung flagships. It remains to be seen if the camera finds its way to the basic Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, although it is doubtful that Samsung would upgrade the zoom camera on all 3 Galaxy S24 series phones at the same time. It also discloses that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have an updated display. While the tipster did not divulge the precise upgrade, we assume it to be the latest M13 OLED screen with greater peak brightness. The highest brightness of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is 1750 nits, whereas comparable phones from other companies have a peak brightness of more than 2000 nits. Samsung clearly needs to upgrade in this area. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is believed to include a titanium frame, a brighter OLED display, and a faster CPU, Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It will apparently include a 200-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel selfie camera, as well as the same 10-megapixel telephoto camera sensor for 10x optical zoom. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.